Hi, so in this video, let's take a look at this sequential circuit that we have, right? Now, this circuit is made out of two D flip-flops. And because there are two D flip-flops, therefore we have two outputs, right? You have Q1, let's say, and Q2, right? And of course, you have Q1 bar and Q2 bar, but if you know Q1 and Q2, you know Q1 bar and Q2 bar as well. So you could name these two outputs. Let's call them X and Y. And because you have two bits, you can think of this circuit as having four possible states, right? So you can have 0 0, you can have 0 1, 1 0, or 1 1. So the outputs of the two D flip flops tell us the state that this circuit is in. Okay, and depending on whatever the state is and what the input is, so here we are giving an input called A. So depending on A and X and Y, you can have an output here which we are calling B here. Okay, so the output is basically only dependent on Y and A in this particular circuit, but it could have been dependent on X as well, right? Okay, so that's how you get an output. So depending on what values of X and Y you have, you get a different output here. And also you have some circuits, an OR gate here and an AND and an OR gate here. So these circuits basically help to change the state. So if you are on state, let's say 0 0, and you get a particular input, so depending on the input, the state could change and go to some other state. Okay, so that's how this circuit operates in kind of the big principle kind of thing. And what we'll do in the next few videos is take a look as to how this circuit actually works, and we'll see whether we can um, uh, figure out how the states transition, how you get these transitions from one state to another, and what the output in each state of this circuit is going to be. Okay,